Do have a report on that from the council center.
Judge, I think you might want John's input.
I'm sorry?
You might want to get John's input. He gave me a report, Your Honor, as I came in.
Well, it looks like he was transferred to Mount Carmel.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. 923, do you have that report?
Yes.
Okay.
So he's not at the county center any longer?
No, sir, not due to the mental health issues that need to be addressed at a different facility.
Russell Severance?
He is now at Mount Carmel Hospital, Mental Hospital, Your Honor. He was at the counseling center, but he had some mental issues come up that they were unable to deal with, and they had him evaluated and placed into the mental facility. At this time, they don't have a release date on him.
How's the state want to go forward? Do you want a warrant for failure to appear, or do you want to let it in?
We could just continue it and check in on it in a period of time and see where he stands. I would assume, I hope anyway, that if he was released from the hospital, he would be released back to the counseling center, but I don't guess there's any guarantee.
That was my understanding, he'd be released back to the counseling center.
Okay, 10/15 will be the next hearing date for pretrial, October 15th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Andrew Iddick, I-2, case number CRB 24592.
Set for pretrial, Mr. Iddick, do you have an attorney?
I have the appropriate funds, but I'm under counsel. Did you get my letter sent to you last week?
There is a letter in the file. Okay, well, you're basically making a defense to me about the case. So, are you saying you can't afford to hire an attorney?
I do, as of today, this morning, have the appropriation of funds for, but I was under the impression that that the prosecution had something they wanted to say, or they were talking to the complainant.
Is Mandy McNally here?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Sorry, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to come
No, that's
over.
okay, that's all right.
No, he don't do drugs, he works at the DA. He said then the kids could stay until I found a place to go, and he's been very nice.
You didn't want a protection order before?
No, sir, no, I was just
What I'm
making
going to
sure.
do is I'm going to ask the court for us to come back in about 3 months, and if we have any problems, then we'll go ahead and dismiss the charges then.
Okay, sir, that sounds good.
Well, it's too late. So, Your Honor, spoken with Ms. McNally, and she says that she wants him to be home. They're expecting a child. Our suggestion would be and I asked her about maybe some issues that need to be addressed, and she said that she didn't feel that there were. So, we'd be okay with a 90-day continuance and dismissal with the payment of court costs if there aren't any further problems between now and the next hearing.
All right, sir, is that something you're interested in?
The understanding is the dismissal of charges off the record completely, or is that how, I've never been charged with anything, so I don't know how things work.
Well, it would be a dismissal. The charge is still going to be a record.
Oh, okay.
However, it can be expunged.
How so?
Well, you have to file a petition with the court, a judge or attorney would know how to do that.
Okay, sure, thank you. Yeah, I understand.
Is that something you want to do?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, because you're in essence representing yourself, because you don't have a lawyer here today. You have a right to make the state bring this to a trial within a certain time frame. By agreeing to this arrangement, you're waiving those speedy trial rights. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I understand.
And you're agreeable with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're going to go out to, well, let's do before Christmas, though. It would be right around Christmas, it's 9 days. So December 20th. Case will be dismissed then if there's been no further complaints or problems and you paid the court costs.
Sure thing.
Then you won't have to appear on that day with those conditions.
Okay, yes, sir.
Problems or costs are paid, then you gotta show up.
If there are issues, we'll need to know.
I just see the clerk out front for the thing. Thank you, sir.
Oh, okay.
And I need for him to sign a time waiver too, Your Honor. Just go ahead and give it to John.
It's a shame you waited until next week.
Thanks, so free to go.
State of Ohio versus Misty D. Shaver, case number TRC 173465, A, B, C, D, and E. Misty Shaver.
Ms. Shaver, do you have an attorney?
No, I need to be assessed for a court-appointed. The attorney that I was going to hire is no longer allowed to handle criminal defense.
Are you working?
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
I work for Municipal, full-time.
I didn't understand.
Municipal. I work for Municipal over in Barberville.
So that's a mobile phone company?
Yeah, cell phone company,
Are
yes,
you paid
sir.
by the hour or are you paid?
By the hour,
How much per hour?
$10.50.
Okay, you're eligible for Porter County Council. Then I'll appoint Roger Smith to represent you. This is an old OEI charge.
Yes, sir.
The 15th or after, Mr. Smith?
25th or 28th, Judge, of October.
Let's do the 28th. October 28th will be the next hearing, and it'll be a pretrial at 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
State of Ohio recall of Edward D. Ferris at the Lawrence County Jail, case number CRB 24537.
No, I will check and see if there was a bed available over his line.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Ferris is still on the assessment that we had on time.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio versus Gregory A. Sparks, case number CRA 24581.
Mr. Smith's case, preliminary hearing.
Judge, Brenda provided, the printer wasn't working, but she can give an oral report as to its progress today.
And What agency is this?
Huntington Addiction Wellness Center.
Craig Hetlinger's group, yes.
That's what I had down.
He's compliant with the program and progressing.
Okay. Are screens a part of the, what?
Yes, all of his screens have been cleaned.
Okay, thank you for that report. And what was your name again?
Amber Russell.
Mr. Hill?
We're okay with, if they'll waive time, having
Yes.
continued.
Okay, we're still early in the process, so. Let's go into November,
I'm here the 1st or the 8th, Judge.
November 1st.
Okay.
Next hearing's November 1st, 10 o'clock.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Okay, keep it
Thank-
up, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
State of Ohio versus Jonathan Cole, case number CRA 24-600.